until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Genoa to Waterman, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Campton Hills, Genoa, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Pingree Grove and Gilberts. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 91 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no